Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to delete WhatsApp account from your JioPhone, and this method almost works for all JioPhone models like JioPhone 1, 2 and 3 because all the models have KaiOS. So lots of JioPhone users are having one doubt. So if you bought a new mobile, then how to install a WhatsApp Messenger on that device? At same time, if you install the new WhatsApp, first of all, you can remove old WhatsApp account from your old device because at that time there is no possible to use the WhatsApp account with the same mobile number. So due to this reason, I make this video. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your WhatsApp Messenger application in your JioPhone. Now in this chat section, you can press this option icon and then go to settings. So in settings section you can go to account settings and the third one. So here you can scroll down and then go to last option. So finally you can press delete my account option. But it asks for your WhatsApp account mobile number and this is for a confirmation process. So I try to type it. So once you enter your mobile number, finally you can press delete option and it shows a notification message, so you can read carefully. But before going to delete your account, first of all back up all the things like photos, videos and documents, because once you delete your account, there is no possible to retrieve your informations. So once you read this notification and then press delete option, and then it starts to checking. So finally here you can see now my WhatsApp account is successfully deleted from this JioPhone. So once your account is deleted, now you can use your same mobile number on your new mobile for creating the WhatsApp account. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.